In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save message as a draft in Yahoo Mail. If you've ever started writing an email and needed to pause, Yahoo Mail makes saving your work effortless. First, open a web browser, such as Chrome, and log into your Yahoo Mail account. The steps are the same no matter which modern browser you use, and the layout you'll see is the standard Yahoo Mail inbox. From your inbox, look to the top left corner and click the Compose button. This opens a new message window. Here, you can begin filling in the recipient field, add a subject, and start typing your message. Don't worry about finishing everything at once. Yahoo doesn't require a completed email to save it as a draft. Whether you've written a full message or just a quick note to yourself, it can be saved for later. Yahoo Mail automatically saves as you write, but the simplest, most reliable way to store your work is to close the message window when you're ready to pause. To do that, click the small X in the top right corner of the Compose window. This is the X inside Yahoo Mail, not the browser's close button. When you click that X, Yahoo Mail closes the draft and saves it automatically in the background. You won't have to confirm anything, and you won't lose your progress. In many cases, you'll also notice a brief saved indicator while you're typing, which is Yahoo's autosave in action. Once closed, your unsent message is placed in the Drafts folder. You'll find Drafts in the left-hand sidebar of your Yahoo Mail interface, listed alongside your inbox and sent folders. Yahoo keeps your drafts organized from newest to oldest, so the message you just worked on will appear at the top. This makes it easy to recognize the most recent version of your work at a glance. That's really all there is to it. Start a message with Compose, add any details you have time for, and when you need to stop, simply click the X in the top right of the Compose window. Yahoo Mail takes care of saving the message and filing it into drafts, ordered by the most recent changes. It's a fast, safe way to pause without sending, and it keeps everything neatly organized so you can pick up right where you left off later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.